Alright guys, today we're featuring a 2015 certified Honda CRV LX. It's got 26,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner, modern steel metallic in color. Go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you here. We'll start on the driver's side. Everything's in good shape here. Alright, it is equipped with the rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in good shape on the exterior of the CRV. Once again, it's a 15. It's certified, clean Carfax, one owner. Okay, 26,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got your black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have gray cloth seating. Driver's seat's in good shape. It does have the keyless entry key fob. Okay, got a nice convenient power outlet here. Got your cup holders there. And in the middle console here, you have USB, auxiliary, and another power outlet there. Passenger seat cloth's in good shape. Alright, it's an automatic. Got your climate control area here. AM, FM, CD player. Alright, it's got a little display screen right there for the radio, and it also be there for the backup camera. That'll be displayed there. Steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, and then you got your ECON button here. Let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 26,296 miles on it. Now that we've got it started up, there's your display screen with the radio, got your coordinates on there and the time of day. We'll go ahead and activate the backup camera. We dim that down for you just a bit so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, then we'll pan out a little bit. All right, got your AM, FM, CD once again, and then your climate controls lit up here. Okay, AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. And another cool thing about these Honda SUVs is it has this little, it looks like a sunglass holder to me, but when you open it up, okay, and it is, you can put sunglasses there, but you do it about halfway there, and you get a full view of the back of the vehicle. Got kids back there, something comes in real handy. All right, let's go ahead and check out the back seat. All right, back seat carpet looks good. No staining back here. Back seat cloth is in phenomenal shape. All right, the cloth doesn't even look like anybody's even sat back here. Really nice and clean. Got the center console that comes down with the cup holders there. All right. Give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Got the nice plastic protector mat here. Little cargo area here. Spare tire underneath. All right, but as you can see, plenty of room back here. All right, these Civics are equipped with handles here. You pull the handle, seats go down. All right, and then you can see it really opens up the space back here for you. Okay, the seats are nice and light, but also very durable. Simply pull them up. They'll click back into place, just like so. And you simply just pull it up, clicks into place, and then you're ready to go. All right, I did all that with one hand, so you should be able to handle that no problem. All right, 16-inch styled steel wheels. Tires are still in good shape. No problems there. All right, once again, it's a certified 2015 Honda CRV LX, 26,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. All right, this thing's in phenomenal shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.